Welcome to Craig's Gun Channel. In this video, we're going to cover the Remington R51. The R51 is an internal hammer-fired 9mm pistol that utilizes a grip safety and a single-action trigger. It feeds from a single-stack magazine with a capacity of 7 rounds. It's 6.6 inches long, 4.6 inches high, and 1 inch wide. The barrel is 3.4 inches long, and it weighs 22 ounces empty. The magazine release is ambidextrous, and the pistol utilizes a locking breech block action and features a low bore height over axis, which results in lower perceived recoil. Let's take it to the range and see how it does. And today we're going to go ahead and do some shooting with the Remington R51. Maybe. And today we're going to do some shooting with the Remington R51. And take some more shots with the R51. I noticed earlier it's really hard when you have all 7 rounds loaded in the magazine to actually pull the slide back. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. I've got 7 rounds in the magazine. That's its capacity, so we'll see what we can do here. It is very difficult to rack that slide back. It gets caught on the cartridge, so probably some break-in of the magazines would help with that. So we'll see over time. Okay, I've been running just 115 grain ball ammo through it. Got some hollow point. Go ahead and see if it runs through that okay. As noted on the range footage, I found that with a full 7-round magazine, it's very difficult to rack the slide back. This is a complaint I've seen regularly online as well. Overall, I do like the way it shoots. It is very pointable and target acquisition is very easy. I did have one failure to feed, however it ends up that's kind of consistent with every trip I've ever taken with this pistol. I've yet to have a single range outing with this gun that's not had a failure of some type. Due to this, I've classified it as a range gun only. I would not feel comfortable with it as a carry gun, and I could not recommend it as one either. Again, this is consistent with what I have seen others have experienced with this pistol as well. Operationally, I found it to not be reliable. It does not offer anything more than what other much more reliable pistols have to offer. which is a shame, as I really liked the idea and the looks of the gun. I really wanted to like it, and I still do, but more as an interesting example of engineering, not as a serious defensive arm. If your experience has been different, let us know in the comments. I hope that this information has been of value to you, and if you like the video and want to see more like them, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notify bell so you get notifications as I release new content. And as always, until next time, stay safe.